Shop Kitty. Welcome to Friday. Happy Friday. What a good baby. Oh yeah. Well, hello everyone and welcome to the PuddyMod YouTube channel. This is going to be kind of a short, or is it going to be a short video. This axle set I just finished. This is a PuddyMod high performance set of axles. This is built for, boosted cars, cars that are, raced, and we're going to see a lot more spirited type driving and looking for something that's very durable and long lasting. This is it. This is those axles. Well, anyway, this is a new finish I just started doing. This is a kind of a natural finish. It's got a rich kind of a patina that's been cleaned up and just kind of cleared over. This is an original assembly marking on these. These were low mileage axles to begin with, so it was nice to do this type of thing with them. And I liked the way it came out. Wanted to know what you guys thought of it. If you like this finish or not. Or if you think I should just stick with, painting them, making them real pretty. Here's another assembly line marking right there, that D. Still visible on the cup. Look good to me. Just want to know what you guys think. Everything internally, these are the same as any other performance set of axles I build, but externally this is just a different finish. Thanks for watching. Tune in. Leave comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the finish on these, and stay tuned for the next video. Say bye, Shop Kitty. Aw, Shop Kitty. Yeah, exactly how I feel too.